So this isn't the exact cookie of, or the exact chest on Fortnite. So, we're just gonna work with it. So, these colors, this is not how I'm gonna do my chest in these colors. I'm just using this as my reference point. So this is how I set up my cookie cutters. I'm just setting them up how they should go. Like that. I think they go closer, right? Yeah, to the lock. I guess all that should be lined up. Okay, yeah. And then there's the little lock. And then the two sides. This is just how I do it because I feel it helps me a little bit more just to see what I'm doing. So that's how you put your pieces together. There's the base piece. Let's cover the cookie. So the first thing I want to do is I'm actually going to make this a gold cookie. And if I just go over here like this, there is what the chest actually looks like for Fortnite. So I'm just gonna roll this yellow out until it's the size that I need to cover the cookie. This one. Just put some water on your cookie. Stick your fondant on. Smooth it out. All right, we got it on. Luminous thing, I'm just gonna like put some right on the top of the cookie. And then I'm just gonna like paint it on because I want this to have like a gold sheen. I'll even paint it on the cookie just to make it know that it is gold. Okay, so the first part that I'm going to do is I rolled out some chocolate fondant. And this is gonna be my base. Now, I'm gonna cut this out just like that. I'm gonna set this over here, don't need that. So there is my chest base. Now, what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna pick this up and lay this on here, is I'm gonna take my brush that I just used for the gold, and I'm actually going to use my silver, because if you look at the Fortnite chest, all the pieces are silver. So, or like a rusty type, you know, like a rusty brown, but it's still like a silver. You can still tell that it's silver. So with the chocolate, so again, I'm just gonna drop it right here in the middle. Okay? And then I'm just gonna paint this silver. And it's not really working. But I just want to get the silver on here. So you can tell that it's on the base. Okay? I'm actually going to take this one step further. I have a wood grain embosser. And I'm going to actually just put this on here. Let me put my powder on it first. My goodness. My cornstarch. And maybe I should just do it this way. And then just run this over. There we go. I'm going to take this brush and just wipe this off. Like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this middle piece first. And I'm going to cut this piece out. Okay, we'll lift this up gently. Okay, and then we'll pick this up ever so gently. Whoops. And then let's bring this piece over because I'm sure this is still wet. So, whoa. Oh no. No. Come on. Okay, it's all right. See, you gotta be quick. I just messed this up. Okay, that's okay. All right, we got that one. It's a little messed up, but it's okay. Let me see if I can get this piece here. Try to get as many pieces out of this as I can. See, this cookie cutter is not really, these pieces aren't cutting very well. And then I'm gonna put this piece, line it up as much as possible with that one. I messed this one up, y'all. That's okay. We'll work with it. We'll do the best that we can. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take this piece off. I'm gonna start this piece over. Okay, so I got the pieces on the chest. And what I did was I just take a really small, thin paintbrush, and I just kind of cleaned up the imperfections in between, like all the cornstarch and stuff. Another thing I did was I took this tool. I do have the lock in the middle, and I just kind of emphasized the plank lines. So as you see, like these three go across here, these go across here, just to kind of emphasize them instead of just leaving them plain, make it look more like a chest. Now, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna take some of this gold luster dust. I'm just gonna spray some here. And I'm just gonna accentuate like the lock right here. And I am gonna put some on the chest because I believe that it emits a gold, like a gold light. So I'm just going to do this. And I'm gonna lift this with this little tool that I have and hope I don't drop it. And then we're just gonna place the chest down, just like that. And there we have a Fortnite loot chest cookie, sugar cookie.